may isang hindi na naging green check. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ito. Keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Ronald here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video for more videos like this. Okay, isa ka ba sa nagwo-worry sa iyong Facebook after October 30, 2021? Well, ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano protektahan ang iyong Facebook account before pa mag-October 30, 2021 nang mabilis na mabilis. So, without further ado, let's get started. And before we proceed, shout out to Harold Nool. Never mind nyo na lang po yung pangalan niyang F4 ko. Instead na. So, let's get started. Ang sabi dito is, you have 15 days left to enable Facebook protection. Turn on Facebook Protect before October 30, 2021. If you don't, you'll be locked out or you'll be locked out your Facebook account until you turn it on. So, kailangan na natin buksan yan. So, I'll link in the description box. So, since it has come to our attention, it's also a good way if we need to secure our own accounts for personal matters. It's also a way to acknowledge whether someone is trying to have access and have them the chance to hack out your account. So, scroll mo sa iyong menu. May makikita kang settings privacy, tapos pinutin mo yung settings. And then, punta ka sa security, yung security and login. Check your important security settings. Ayun na nga, may isang hindi na naging green check. So, pag hindi nyo pa na gawa is gawin nyo na para extra protection na rin ng iyong Facebook account. Diba? Kapag may mga importante na nandoon is mapoprotektahan nyo. So, ayun. So, ayan. Mas maganda yung text message, mas update, and out of Facebook, ganun. Select a security method. So, pili lang kayo ng nyo. Itong authentication app is maganda din siya, parang sa Google, sa YouTube. Yung security key naman is use a physical security key to help protect your Facebook account from unauthorized access. You won't need to enter a code. Pero mas maganda pa rin itong text messages or SMS. So, continue. Tapos, ilagay natin yung number. Confirm. Okay, buksan sila ng code. Ayun, meron. Tapos, continue. Kapag meron na yung code, continue. At ayun na nga na turn in on na natin. And let's check. Ayun. So, gawin nyo na ngayon dahil simple lang to and walang patumpik-tumpik ka. Back to your Ronald and see you there. Kung marami kang natutunan dito sa aking YouTube channel, please feel free to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell para sa susunod na video na tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gawin ito, ganun. Wag lang yung mga bad. I'm not bad influencer. And that's it. Thank you for watching.